Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be talking to you about a mortgage hack that not a lot of people know about called recasting. So before I get into it, the things I'm going to be covering is what is recasting, so defining it, who it's for, okay, how long do you might have to wait, and then is there any other fees or things that you should be aware of. So first, who is it for? Now, recasting is for people who've made significant contributions or a decent amount of contributions to the principal balance of their loan. So what is the principal balance? That's your original loan. Let's say you bought a home for $500,000 was the purchase price and your loan amount was $400,000 after the 20% down payment, right? So your loan amount is 400,000 and you would have a, let's say, an estimated monthly payment of about like $2,000 or something like that. But instead of making that regular $2,000 in payment, you were paying an additional, let's say, $500 or $1,000 a month. Or maybe in 1 year, you decided at the end of the year, you got a big fat bonus and you wanted to put down an additional $10,000 towards your principal balance. That's recasting is going to be good for individuals like that. All right. So now what's the definition of it? Recasting basically is taking the existing current principal balance. So after making all those additional principal payments, taking that principal balance and respreading it across the current term of the loan. So let's say you have 27 years left, and instead of it being, let's say, $390,000, which is what the loan amount should have been, because you were making significant contributions to bring down that principal balance, your loan amount, now let's say your loan is at 350, right? The balance is at 350. We're going to take that 350 and then respread it across the current remaining terms of your loan, so 27 years. Now, why is that significant and good? Well, it's because it's going to be lowering your principal and interest payments, your mortgage payment. Instead of it being $2,000, now it might be $1,700, $1,800, whatever your rate is and whatever the remaining terms is, right? So that's basically what recasting is. Now, the qualifications in terms of time and amount, it's going to vary by lender to lender. So certain lenders, they're going to let you do a recasting immediately after your very first mortgage payment. Certain lenders, they're going to want you to wait at least 3 to 6 months. Certain lenders, they'll only allow you within a certain period, let's say within 90 days of getting your first new loan. So you're going to have to talk to your lender or your servicer to make sure you qualify for recasting and what the qualifications are. And then secondly is there's also a threshold and amount. So for example, with Rocket Mortgage, as of this taping, or recording, I'm dating myself, but as of this recording, they have a threshold of that you have to at least reduce that principal balance by $10,000 within 12-month period, a rolling 12-month period, for you to qualify for a recasting. So that can be a one lump sum of $10,000 or break that apart across 12 months for that $10,000, but it has to be a total of $10,000 in principal reduction, principal balance reduction for you to qualify. Now, lastly, is there fees associated with it? Most likely it's going to be yes, but again, you're going to have to check with your mortgage servicer or your mortgage lender. But typically the fees are going to be anywhere from $200 to $400. It's not going to be anything significant, much less than refinancing to bring your mortgage payment down. So it's something to consider for those of you who are making large chunks and contributions to your principal balance, and you want to have kind of, a little bit, for a rainy day and lowering your mortgage payment down, this is going to be a great mortgage hack for you to take advantage of. If it was not clear, please comment below to let me know it was not, because it is a little bit of a nuance on a technical thing, and I'll try to further explain it in the comments. If it was, let me know as well. Always try to interact with you guys. So thank you so much for the opportunity to educate you. Hope you have a great day.